Hi guys, thank you for joining me. I hope all our friends there in Hawaii are safe. They're being slammed by what's called a Kona low. Yeah, it's snowing again, and it was snowing on the 3rd there in Hawaii. Massive floods. They're expecting another 2 feet of rain to happen today, I believe. And I don't know if it's a coincidence, but today is December 7th, the same time Hawaii was attacked by Japan. Maybe this time it's weather warfare from either China or Russia. What do you think? They have declared a state of emergency there and have received up to 12 inches of rain over the past 3 days. Now, I'm not sure about the additional 2 feet of rain, but Kauai is supposed to get another 2 to 4 inches of rain. 5 people were rescued on Monday night from a swollen stream near Oahu's Pali Highway. 4 shelters were set up in the capital city of Honolulu, and the system also brought snow and high winds to some of the big islands' mountaintops a few days ago. I believe that was on the 3rd. One boy was rescued after he released his grip from a branch, and the rushing water took him to firefighters close by downstream who grabbed him. Firefighters also used a ladder to rescue another boy farther downstream and jumped into the stream to get another 3 out of the water. There was a total of 5 boys between the ages of 9 and 10 that had to be rescued there in Honolulu. On Maui, power outages and flooding already has been reported, with more than a foot, 30 centimeters of rain in some areas. Now, according to AccuWeather, there is a potential for up to a foot of rain to fall in Honolulu, with up to 40 inches possible for the south and southwest facing mountains of the island. This past weekend, they had blizzard warnings issued for Hawaii's highest peaks, and there was reports of winds up to 90 miles an hour. Yeah, it was the Weather Channel that said they could have another 2 feet of rain. 22,000 people on Maui lost power. Here's an image from KITV.com showing the flooding and all the mud. And they have a video here showing all the people driving through this flooded waters. Another image showing the waters just cascading down. Lots of debris. The sewer systems evidently were backing up. People had to evacuate their homes. All kinds of trash evidently is flowing in the roads. And there's a lot of earthen dams that they worry about collapsing there in Hawaii. Rivers evidently have cut their embankments and are flowing across roads. Yeah, it's amazing. I don't know, maybe they're used to it there. I don't know, but look how deep that is. In some of these smaller vehicles, they probably got water coming inside the cars. Here's one image of the water backing up in the sewer system. Yeah, big mess. Another image of the water drainage system actually making fountains. Here we have an image from last night and a clip from another video. Yeah, people are not supposed to be driving through this stuff. I wonder how many cars stalled. I mean, look at that. Look how deep it is as they plow through the water. Here you can see one of the roads that was taken out by the rain. Yeah, definitely sending prayers to everybody there. I don't believe in coincidence. Today is December 7th, and look what's going on there. So what are your thoughts? Please put those comments down below. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch my videos. Please stay safe, and I'll talk to you later. God bless you all. Bye.